Hello and welcome. I'm going to be answering NECO 2019 Commerce Objective Past Question 41. The following are examples of products under extractive occupation except A. Cocoa, B. Cotton, C. Crude oil, D. Iron ore, E. Textile. So we are looking at extractive occupation, products under extractive occupation, and the extractive occupation or industry involves industries. The extractive occupation involves industries which engage in obtaining raw materials and natural resources from the soil, or sea. And examples of products under the extractive occupation include cocoa, cotton, iron ore, crude oil, tin, etc. So we have some products here: cocoa, cotton, crude oil, iron ore, textile. So we have said cocoa is an example of product under extractive occupation, cotton, which is B as well, crude oil as well, iron ore. So textile cannot be classified as a product under extractive occupation because textile is under the manufacturing occupation, and manufacturing occupation is involved in transformation of raw materials into finished goods. So the correct answer to this question is E, textile, because it is not a product under extractive occupation. So please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers. Thank you.